Assalamu alaikum dear students. Class 12 यूनिट है अल्काइल एंड एराइल हैलाइड्स। टॉपिक है आज का हमारा टॉपिक एराइल हैलाइड्स। Now what are aryl halides? Aryl halides are the compounds or the organic compounds which are derived from aromatic hydrocarbons by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of the aromatic hydrocarbons by the halogen atoms. So aryl halides are the compounds obtained from aromatic hydrocarbons by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by halogens. So what are aryl halides? aryl halides वो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं वो जो हम obtain करते हैं फ्रॉम एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स। कैसे? बाय रिप्लेसिंग वन और मोर हाइड्रोजन एटम्स बाय हैलाइड्स और हैलोजन एटम्स। तो उनको हम कहते हैं एराइल हैलाइड्स। फॉर एग्जांपल एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन है हमारे पास। फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव द बेंजीन एंड जब हम रिप्लेस करेंगे बेंजीन के का एक या एक से ज़्यादा हाइड्रोजन एटम बाय हेलोजेन्स तो रिजल्टिंग कंपाउंड्स जो बनते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं एराइल हैलाइड्स। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम बेंजीन लेंगे दैट C6H6 रिप्लेस करेंगे इसका एक हाइड्रोजन एटम बाय द हेलोजन दैट्स X, वी ऑब्टेन दैट C6H5X। दिस आवर एराइल halide. This is benzene. This is our aryl halide. So aryl halides are the compounds or the organic compounds which are obtained from aromatic hydrocarbons, for example benzene, by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by the halogens. The resulting compounds formed are called as the aryl halides. Now we have the classification of aryl halides. This is the definition of aryl halides. Now we have the second this is topic in this, that is the classification of aryl halides. aryl halides are of two types. aryl halides हमारे पास है दो किस्म के. One is called as the nuclear substituted aryl halides and the second those are called as the side chain substituted aryl halides. Number first, that is the nuclear substituted aryl halides and number second जो है that is the side chain substituted aryl halides. Now what are न्यूक्लियर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड एराइल हैलाइड्स? न्यूक्लियर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड एराइल हैलाइड्स वो एराइल हैलाइड्स होते हैं जहां पर हेलोजन एटम जो होता है दैट इज डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड टू द कार्बन ऑफ द एरोमेटिक रिंग, उनको हम कहते हैं न्यूक्लियर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड एराइल हैलाइड्स. सो न्यूक्लियर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड एराइल हैलाइड्स और द एराइल हैलाइड्स in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring. So nuclear substituted aryl halides or the aryl halides in which halogen atom is directly directly attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring. So what are nuclear substituted aryl halides? न्यूक्लियर सबस्टिट्यूटेड एराइल हैलाइड्स वो एराइल हैलाइड्स होते हैं जहां पर हेलोजन जो एटम जो होता है दैट इज डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड टू द कार्बन ऑफ द एरोमेटिक रिंग. कैसे? सपोज दिस आवर बेंजीन रिंग, हमने इसका एक हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस किया बाय द हेलोजन एटम X, and this X it is directly attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring, that is this carbon of the aromatic ring. यही जो है हमारे पास, इसको हम कहते हैं nuclear substituted aryl halide. For another example, we have another example of this halides का हमें पता है we have the halides, that we have the halogens or halides, we have chlorine, bromine and iodine. These are the halogen atoms. If these are directly attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring, then those aryl halides are known as nuclear substituted aryl halides. For example, you have this Cl, that is this chlorobenzene. We have another, that is Br here, where this halogen atom, this bromine or this chlorine, it is directly attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring. इनको हम कहते हैं nuclear substituted aryl halides. Now we have the second type, that's called as the side chain substituted aryl halides. Number second, side chain substituted. Number second है side chain substituted aryl halides. Side chain substituted aryl halides. Now what are these side chain substituted aryl halides? Side chain substituted aryl halides are those aryl halides in which the halogen atom is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring. For example, I have this, that is your benzene, attached to the CH3 here. This is called as toluene, or this is an arene. When we replace the hydrogen atom of this side chain, this is the side chain. This methyl group, it is the side chain. And similarly, we have this group, ethyl group attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring. अगर हम इनका इस साइड चेन का हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस करेंगे बाय द हेलोजन एटम्स, तो रिजल्टिंग जो बनेंगे दोज आर कॉल्ड एज द साइड चेन सबस्टिट्यूटेड एराइल हैलाइड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, हमने यहाँ से इसका एक हाइड्रोजन एटम माइनस किया, CH3 का एक हाइड्रोजन एटम ने माइनस किया, इसके बाद मैंने इसको लगाया दैट इज Cl प्लस Cl, and it results the formation of this aromatic hydrocarbon which is called as the side chain substituted aryl halides. Similarly, we have this, if I replace the hydrogen atom of this CH3 group by the bromine, we are getting this CH2Br. So these are the side chain substituted aryl halides. Classification में आपने याद रखा कि we have the two types of aryl halides. First, that is the nuclear substituted aryl halides, are those aryl halides in which the halogen atom is directly attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring, while as the side chain substituted aryl halides are those in which the halogen atom is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring. Those are called as the side chain substituted aryl halides. Now we have the nomenclature of aryl halides. Nomenclature of aryl halides. Nomenclature of aryl halides. In the nomenclature, we prefix the word, that is hello, before the name of the aryl group or the aromatic hydrocarbon. इनका सिंपल सा nomenclature है, बिल्कुल simple, that is we prefix the word hello before the name of the aromatic ring. For example, I have this ring, this is our benzene, and attached Cl here. We prefix the name of this Cl before the name of the parent, this aromatic hydrocarbon. So the name of this compound is chloro. This is the chlorobenzene. Similarly, we have the another example, that is your iodine. If iodine is attached to it, then it's called as the iodobenzene. Similarly, we have fluorobenzene and bromobenzene, etc. So nomenclature में आपने याद रखा, इनका simple सा nomenclature है, that is the we prefix the word that is halo before the name of the aromatic hydrocarbon. But in case of disubstituted aryl halides, डाइसब्स्टिट्यूटेड हेराइल हैलाइड्स वो हेराइल हैलाइड्स होते हैं जहां पर हम दो हाइड्रोजन एटम्स को रिप्लेस करते हैं बाय द टू हेलोजन्स और वन हेलोजन एंड सम अदर ग्रुप, दोज आर कॉल्ड एज द डाइसब्स्टिट्यूटेड एराइल हैलाइड्स. उनका नोमेनक्लेचर कैसे, उनका हम कैसे नाम देते हैं. Here you have to remember one thing, that is अगर हमारे पास ये है disubstituted Cl and here we have the Br. It is disubstituted aryl halide. Di means two. Two hydrogen atoms are replaced by one by chlorine and second by bromine. So these are disubstituted aryl halides. Aryl halide. अगर हम इसको consider करेंगे number 1 carbon and this is number 2 carbon. So the position of this chlorine with respect to the bromine is ortho, or second position, that is 1-2 position, is called as 1-2 position is called ortho position. Similarly, अगर यहाँ पे होगा कोई ग्रुप थर्ड पोजिशन पे, यहाँ suppose you have here bromine and here you have the iodine, then this iodine, it is meta with respect to that of the bromine. If this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so 1-3 position with respect to each other are meta to each other. So meta 1-3 meta position. The third position जो है that is meta position, while the second position जो है that's called as the ortho position, and the fourth position जो है that is called as para position. Here we have suppose F and we have the Cl here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this fourth position is this is called as the para position. So 1-4 position. Is called para position. This regarding the nomenclature of the. So अगर हम इनको नाम आप देंगे, what is this? What is the name of this aromatic hydrocarbon or aryl halide? It is 2-chloro 1-bromobenzene. 2-chloro. No, it is not 2-chloro. Sorry. It is 1-bromo. क्योंकि nomenclature में जो हम this name we go through the name of these substituents according to their alphabetic order. So पहले आएगा bromine का B, then we have the chlorine का C. That is the bromo 1-bromo 2-chlorobenzene. 1-bromo 2-chlorobenzene. Similarly, we have the 1-bromo 3-iodobenzene, or that is the meta. These are meta to each other, and these are para to each other. Sorry, ortho to each other. Similarly, we have this. We have Br and suppose CH3 group. This is 1-bromo 2-methyl-benzene, or it is called as the ortho-methyl bromobenzene. So these are this is the nomenclature of the disubstituted aryl halides. इसमें आपको ये याद रखना है कि 1-2 position they are ortho to each other, 1-3 position they are meta to each other, and 1-4 position they are para to each other. This is the nomenclature of the aryl halides. Now we have another topic, that is the preparation of aryl halides. Preparation of aryl halides. अब इन aryl halides को हम कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे? नंबर फर्स्ट मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन इज दैट्स फ्रॉम द एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. कैसे? बाय हेलोजिनेशन. एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स को हम हेलोजिनेट करेंगे, हेलोजिनेशन करेंगे इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ द लुईस एसिड्स, suppose AlCl3 or FeCl3, and that results the formation of the aryl halides. For example, first one, that is from aromatic hydrocarbons. कैसे करेंगे? That is your benzene, and if I halogenate it, I have chlorination of this aromatic ring in presence of FeCl3, and it results the formation of the chlorobenzene minus HCl. This is first method of preparation of the aryl halides, that's from the aromatic hydrocarbons. कैसे? aromatic hydrocarbons such as benzene. benzene को हम chlorination करते हैं in presence of Lewis acid FeCl3, and it results the formation of our chlorobenzene, that's an aryl halide. Number 2, by Sandmeyer's reaction, or that's from the benzene diazonium salt. The reaction is called Sandmeyer's reaction, and that is from benzene diazonium salts. बेंजीन डायजोनियम salts, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर द क्लोरोबेंजीन, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि बेंजीन डायजोनियम क्लोराइड को हम लेते हैं, ऐड करते हैं इसको द कॉपर क्लोराइड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ HCl, दैट रिजल्ट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द क्लोरोबेंजीन. एंड इफ वी ऐड the copper bromide in presence of HBr, then bromobenzene is formed, and that this reaction is called as the Sandmeyer's reaction. So we have the number second, that's from benzene diazonium salt. Here we have benzene diazonium chloride. Here we have benzene diazonium chloride. And if I add copper chloride in presence of HCl to it, it results the formation of chlorobenzene plus यहाँ से NN2 nitrogen. This results the formation of the chlorobenzene. Similarly, if we have benzene diazonium chloride, and if we benzene diazonium chloride, and if I add copper bromide CuBr in presence of HBr, then bromobenzene is formed. This reaction is called as the Sandmeyer's reaction. So first method of preparation, that's from the aromatic hydrocarbons. Second method of preparation, that's from the benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium chloride, upon reaction with copper chloride in presence of HCl, results from the chlorobenzene. And here we have the second, that is the benzene diazonium chloride, and if it is treated with the copper bromide in presence of HBr, it results the formation of the bromobenzene. This reaction is called as the Sandmeyer's reaction. Number third जो है, that is instead of copper chloride, if we add copper powder to it in presence of HCl, or copper powder in presence of HBr, then that reaction is there also the chlorobenzene and the bromobenzene is formed. The reaction is called as the Gattermann's reaction. Number third, that's why Gattermann's reaction from Gattermann's reaction. Number third है, that is Gattermann's Gattermann's reaction. Now what is this Gattermann's reaction? It is simply benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, if I treat it with copper powder in presence of HCl, it results the formation of the chlorobenzene plus N2. Similarly, we have the benzene diazonium chloride. In presence of copper powder and HBr, it results the formation of the bromobenzene, Br and N2. This reaction is called as a Gattermann's reaction. So there is only one difference between the Sandmeyer's reaction and the Gattermann's reaction, that in case of the Sandmeyer's reaction we use a copper chloride or copper bromide, whereas in case of the Gattermann's reaction we use copper powder instead of copper chloride and copper bromide. This reaction is called as a Gattermann's reaction. Now if we have to prepare the fluorobenzene, then how the fluorobenzene is prepared? Fluorobenzene is prepared from the benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Upon decomposition results the formation of the fluorobenzene. So we have the preparation of fluorobenzene. फ्लोरोबेंजीन को हम कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? फ्लोरोबेंजीन बेंजीन डायजोनियम टेट्राफ्लोरोबोरेट, अगर हम इसको डिकम्पोज करेंगे BF4 N triple bond N positive BF4, it results the formation of the fluorobenzene plus BF3 plus N2. So this is the method of preparation of the fluorobenzene. How fluorobenzene is prepared? Fluorobenzene is prepared from the benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Upon decomposition, upon heating, it results the formation of the fluorobenzene, and the nitrogen and the BF3 is evolved or produced here. Similarly, we have another method of preparation, that's from the silver salt of the carboxylic acid. वहाँ पर भी हम obtain करते हैं bromobenzene. That's fourth method of preparation, that's from silver salt of the fatty acids. Silver salt of the fatty acids, COO. Silver salt of the fatties are silver salt of the carboxylic acids or carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Silver salt of the carboxylic acids, Ag. अगर हम इसको ब्रोमिनेशन करेंगे, Br2 ऐड करेंगे, here the bromobenzene is formed, Br plus AgBr plus carbon dioxide. This reaction is called Huns-Dykers reaction. So we have the following four methods of preparation of the aryl halides. Number first, that's from the aromatic hydrocarbons by the halogenation of the aromatic hydrocarbon. Number second one, that is from the benzene diazonium salts. Benzene diazonium salts upon reaction with copper chloride or copper bromide results the formation of the chlorobenzene and bromobenzene respectively. The reaction is called Sandmeyer's reaction. Whereas if we are using the copper powder instead of copper chloride or copper bromide, there also the chlorobenzene and the bromobenzene is formed. That reaction is called as the Gattermann's reaction. Similarly, we have to prepare the fluorobenzene, that's from the benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Upon decomposition results the formation of the fluorobenzene. And the fourth method of preparation, that's from the silver salt of the carboxylic acids. Upon reaction with bromine results the formation of the bromobenzene. This is all about the preparation of the अराइल हैलाइड्स। सो आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया व्हाट आर अराइल हैलाइड्स। दीज आर द एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by the halogen atoms. Number second, that is the classification of the aryl halides. They are classified into two categories. That is, number one is called as the nuclear substituted aryl halides, and number second that's called as the side chain substituted aryl halides. Then we have the nomenclature, and last one, that is the preparation of aryl halides. Thank you so much.